build this harness. This harness connects the receiver. These are all the receivers, channel 1 through 8. Over here we have our KK Mini, 3 connectors for that one, and 4 connectors on the Arduino, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then these outer connectors are going to your ESCs and servos on the ends of the bar. So to build this thing, don't be overwhelmed. We're not going to be cutting any wire, and we're going to use the ribbon, the pins that already come on the ribbon, the length of it and everything. And what we're going to do is focus on this area as we're going to strip away those colors. We want to notice that we have 3 different ribbons, the combinations of male and female pins. So we want to grab the ribbon that has female pins and strip away this color of them from purple to brown. And then we'll do our next one, female to male. So that's a different ribbon, and we'll get those colors. So go all the way down. On this one, you'll see it's all black wires, so we're just stripping off black wires, female to male. And we'll get these 4 as well, the red and the brown. The next step is to remove the single Molex connector housings that come on the ribbon.
So here's our schematic all drawn out again. Now, I picked these up for, I think it was $10 on eBay. And this is Molex plugs. I believe they're Molex. And so these are all different sizes. We got 2 wires that'll go into 1, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 7. And so, like on this plug here, this KK Mini one, this is a 7. So after we strip away the wire off the ribbon, the entire ribbon all has these single plugs on them. So we got to remove those first before we do anything. Don't even worry about them, just pick it off there. And so I'm lifting under this key that the metal part is locked behind. And so you do that for all the wire.
We go into our kits, like we saw earlier, A and B, and grab a 7 and a 4 and a 4 and whatever, and just plug them straight into that. Should have female pins coming out. And then these are all bare. We removed all the plastic off of them. Okay, so we've made all these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All these here. Alright, now we're ready to plug together the harness. So go into the kit again. We're going to grab a bunch of number 3s. All these 3s plug into the receiver. And so now we see we have KK1. That is the first row on the KK Mini. Right there. KK1. So, and then we have ES1. So we made this. It has 2 wires running out of it, female pins. Plug those 2 wires in the plus and minus channel 1. Come over here and grab the yellow out of a KK Mini and plug it into 1. And just do that all through here. See, we got ARD4. There's ARD4. We're plugging it over into these 2 guys, which are ESC3. Okay. Plug that green into there. Those 2 wires come up to channel 4 there. Bring 4 over. Just plug all that together and build this harness.
Alright, so this is the same thing we were just looking at. So we plugged it all together. Here we go. See, that's out one all around, right? Now, all of it uses the same length wire, right, from the ribbon. So after everything's laid out, there'll be a kind of a center point of all those wires that went everywhere. We just got these 2 legs hanging off. And you kind of make a try out of it, where all the wires evenly length. And once we do that, we're going to double wrap this Panduit around it. So it's going around it twice, but it's going around that center leg on both sides to separate it into this 3-piece. I just cinch it down, not real hard, whatever.
We're going to grab our receiver, our 8-channel receiver. And so we made this harness. We have 8 channels, 3-pin channels. And so we're going to plug them all in the receiver. Now you see some of them, like channel 5 and 6, both have a purple wire. Both channel 7 and channel 2 have a green wire. And there's a blue and a blue. So we're going to have to pay attention where they're coming from to know which of those goes into which channel. But the first one, yellow, there is no other yellow. Let's take that one and plug it in channel 1. And then let's trace this back however you can, visually, or if you want to beep it out, whatever. How channel 2 is the green wire that goes to KK1. And then let's see, orange is an only, so we know that goes to 3. So we're just plugging those in, going down. Signal is up. If you're
The harness is plugged in the receiver now, and our 2 wires that weren't part of it falling away. Now we can lay them out since they're all the same length with a center point here. To kind of make it look nice, we're going to redo that Panduit. So we can see here that all 4 of these are the 4 that go to the servos and the ESCs. You can tell because there's a gap in the pin, remember, on those outside connectors. And so we want to separate this into the KK and the Adreno. So we know the Adreno pins are male. So we can take all the connectors that have male pins, go to that. And then the KK board is female pins. We have 3, K1, K2, K3. And then our ARD 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have that. Let's just put one quick loose Panduit around the section from the receiver. And we'll do another loose one around KK. We're not tightening this one at all because there's a little bit of fold back in wire from our first Panduit. Okay. Alright, so we got 3 legs, so we can go ahead and cut away our original separation Panduit, and then make sure it's all, wherever wire's going, wherever it's, the 4 that go to the servos and the ESCs. We got the KK Mini and the Adreno. Let's put that in. Before we start wiring this, let's go ahead and load the code on the Arduino.
Here's the site you go to download your Adreno software. These are your choices, whatever you got. So once you download this, then you download the code of the HeliPlaneX and the Mind Assist. That's the controller, the transmitter. Then you just click on and open it. So I'll first verify it, check it. You'll see this gauge going on over here. And we'll go to Tools, make sure we're in the correct port. We'll click on whatever COM it is, and then we'll go, and we already plugged it in, and we'll upload it.